What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage, back here with another video. And today we have a very special bike on the lift. This is a 1978 Harley Lowrider FXS, I believe is the proper initials for it. This is a very special bike to me. It is my uncle's bike. Was my uncle's bike. I think his son is it's technically the official owner of it now. I don't know the chain of custody. But my cousin is having me work on it, getting it road ready for my uncle to ride this spring. So, very cool of him to do. Very honored to have, for him to have asked me to do it. I've asked my uncle, I remember this being stored in a crate in his garage forever. And I'd always ask him, when he would get it out and whatnot, it needs a little bit of work. But I've been begging him for years to let me work on it, and he's just hasn't really put too many miles on it the last couple of years. You know, he's getting older and it's an old shovel head. So, but he recently moved to a different state, and his boys holding on to it, and my cousin got a hold of me and said, "Hey, fix Dad's bike up." I said, "Fuck yes, I will." So I went and picked it up and finally got the V-Star off the lift so I could get this one on the lift. Pretty much just changing oil, tune-up, plugs, wires, getting it running. I've had it running once. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. You see behind me, I've had seat off and new battery right there in it. Yeah, I got it to fire once and it won't. It's not very consistent with the running. So I'm gonna check the points, check the plugs, probably pull the carb, clean the carb, check the intake. It turns over just fine, so I don't think there's any electrical issues with it. But yeah, get it running, change oil, change tires on it. These tires are bad. And brakes are fucked on it, so these brakes. So that's a little backstory on the bike. I'll go ahead and shut the fuck up and give you guys just a little overview of the bike itself. So, alright guys, just jumping in here real quick. I filmed that intro a while ago, and then went to take off something that turned into taking off something to ended up half the bike is tore apart. These things happen, and I didn't record the overview of the bike, so I did one just now. Just pretend the tires look like shit and the brakes look shitty and the bike's real dirty, and you'll get an idea of what it looked like. So yeah, here's the overview of the bike. there you have it, guys. This is my uncle's 1978 FXS Lowrider that I am putting back together and getting it ready for spring for him. So there will be a couple more videos in this series or on this bike. I'll make a playlist for it and all that down there, or wherever the playlists are at, you know. Yeah, so really excited about this, excited to get it back on the road and running correctly for my uncle, and hopefully get to ride with him this year. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Go get yourself a shirt, a hoodie. I don't remember what else is in the store. Go check out the merch, check out the podcast, and remember to subscribe. And I appreciate you guys. Oh, real quick, merch is live. Big shout out to Mike Hawkins from Pedro and Betty's Big Revival. Big Revival or just Revival? I don't know. I'll tag them down in the comments. They got, or in the description, they got a YouTube channel too, and they're cool guys to follow along on Instagram. They go live every Friday in their garage. So I'll drop their info down below. They were the first ones to order. This isn't my merch, but this order a shirt from my merch store. So merch is live. Head on over there. Shirts are cheap, perfect for working out in the garage, and I appreciate every little bit. So, all right, on to the bike.